The Lefant M1 robot vacuum and mop stands out as a powerful and intelligent cleaning solution that takes your cleaning routine to the next level. Let's explore the remarkable features of this cutting-edge device. The Lefant M1 robot vacuum and mop is equipped with lidar navigation, a state-of-the-art technology that allows it to create a real-time map of your home. This advanced mapping system enables the robot to navigate your living space efficiently and methodically, ensuring that every nook and cranny is thoroughly cleaned. With its precise navigation capabilities, the Lefant M1 ensures optimal cleaning coverage and eliminates the need for repetitive cleaning in the same areas. One of the standout features of the Lefant M1 robot vacuum and mop is its powerful 3,500 pascals suction, which effortlessly picks up dirt, dust, and pet hair from various surfaces. Whether you have hardwood floors, carpets, or rugs, this device is designed to tackle any mess with ease, leaving your floors spotless and fresh. Its high suction power ensures deep cleaning, eliminating even the most stubborn debris. The Lefant M1 robot vacuum and mop boasts an impressive runtime of up to 150 minutes, allowing it to clean large areas without interruption. This extended cleaning time ensures that your entire home can be thoroughly cleaned in a single session, saving you time and effort. Whether you have a small apartment or a spacious house, the Lefant M1 is equipped to handle it all. With its real-time map, the Lefant M1 robot vacuum and mop provides a visual representation of the cleaning progress. This allows you to monitor the areas that have been cleaned and those that are still pending. The map also enables you to set specific cleaning zones or create no-go zones, ensuring that the robot focuses on areas that require more attention and avoids areas that are off-limits. The Lefant M1 robot vacuum and mop can be easily controlled and monitored through its dedicated app or via voice commands with Alexa compatibility. The app provides a range of convenient features, allowing you to schedule cleaning sessions, adjust cleaning modes, and even customize the cleaning path. With just a few taps on your smartphone, you can tailor the cleaning routine to suit your specific needs and preferences. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.